And something else I always like to do when I get a new used car is just clean the engine, because most people don't. You know, this model, you know, the 2008 Hummer has a little cover on it, you know, as far as normally, and it usually means that whatever's underneath it is just filthy because people don't bother. But if you pull that hood off, it's very easy. You don't even need tools to do it. You know, just pull it off by hand. And under here, make sure the engine is cooled off and whatnot, and just spray some dirt remover. You know, something like Simple Green is one of my favorite things to spray. I keep a garden sprayer of Simple Green mixed with water at all times, because I use it for so many things. But if you just spray some, you know, spray a little Simple Green all around it, let it soak for a little bit. You could even use a little brush and just brush it off and then rinse it off with water. And if you see the thumbnail of the before and after, it turns it into a nicer looking 13-year-old 150 plus thousand mile engine. Anywho, that's something you can do with any vehicle. I just like to do it anytime I get a new car. I like to clean that motor, because I may be working on it at some point. I don't want to get my hands any more filthy than they have to get, so that's just a simple thing I do. Check out our other videos on this awesome 2008 H3 Alpha. This is the one with the 5.3 V8, and we've already got a few things that we've done to it, and so check out our other videos, and we have all kinds of cool videos as well that you might like. So check out our channel and make sure you Google Horsepower House. We're all over the internet. That's it. Y'all have a good day.